Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Fortnite on School Chromebook. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up an internet browser and look for xbox.com. Once you're on that particular website, you can log into your account. If you're unable to find Fortnite straight away, then you can just search for it. And once you found it, it will come up with a green play button and you can start playing it. What it will do is actually you'll enter into a queue to try and access the game. And it's worth noting that on the weekends, it can be really busy, so it can take a long time to actually access the game. Other than that, you should be good to go to then play Fortnite online. Okay, another way to actually do this is come over to your internet browser again and type in GeForce Now. And we're going to want to click on the NVIDIA link. So we're just going to select that one, and then just any terms and conditions that come up, just press agree and close, agree and continue, and then just do browse games. Okay, and then what we're next going to want to do is actually log into the account. So you might have a pop-up appear saying streaming games is not supported, but then just continue anyway. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do if you don't have one already is either create an account or just sign into your account. Once you're all signed in, you can then actually search for Fortnite. Okay, and then with these options, you can just select the GeForce Now Fortnite and then actually start playing the game using NVIDIA. And that is pretty much it. That is how you can play Fortnite on your school Chromebook. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.